Welcome to BioCrack Academy. In this video, we will cover MCQ question on the history of microbiology with clear answers, perfect for quick revision and exam preparation. So, let's get started. Question number 61. What was the significance of the 1940s Florey and chain experiments? Discovery of penicillin, mass production of penicillin, development of the polio vaccine, discovery of DNA structure. And the correct answer is mass production of penicillin. Question number 62. Who developed the concept of microbial antagonism leading to antibiotic discovery? Alexander Fleming, Selman Waksman, Paul Ehrlich, or Louis Pasteur? And the correct answer is Selman Waksman. The next question is, what was the contribution of Joshua Lederberg to microbiology? Discovery of bacterial conjugation, development of the Germ stain, invention of the electron microscope, or discovery of penicillin? And the correct answer is discovery of bacterial conjugation. Next question is, who introduced pasteurization to preserve wine and beer? Robert Koch, Louis Pasteur, Joseph Lister, or Edward Jenner? And the correct answer is Louis Pasteur. Question number 65. What was the significance of the 1897 discovery by Edward Buckner? Discovery of viruses, demonstration of cell-free fermentation, development of vaccines, or invention of the petri dish? And the correct answer is demonstration of cell-free fermentation. Next question is, who discovered the causative agent of typhoid fever, Salmonella typhi? Robert Koch, Karl Ebert, Louis Pasteur, Gerhard Hansen? And the correct answer is Karl Ebert. Next question is, what technique did Alexander Fleming use to observe penicillin's effect? Germ staining, petri dish culturing, electron microscopy, or centrifugation? And the correct answer is petri dish culturing. Next question is, who developed the first vaccine for yellow fever? Max Taylor, Jonas Salk, Albert Sabin, or Louis Pasteur? And the correct answer is Max Taylor. Next question. What was the contribution of Christian Ekman to microbiology? Discovery of vitamins linked to microbial metabolism, development of the Germ stain, invention of the autoclave, or discovery of penicillin? And the correct answer is discovery of vitamins linked to microbial metabolism. Next question. Who discovered the role of plasmid in bacterial antibiotic resistance? Joshua Lederberg, Frederick Griffith, Sutomu Watanabe, or Oswald Avery? And the correct answer is Sutomu Watanabe. Next question is, what was the significance of the 1870s work by Ferdinand Kohn? Discovery of viruses, classification of bacteria based on morphology, development of vaccines, invention of the electron microscope? And the correct answer is classification of bacteria based on morphology. Next question is, who developed the first vaccine for tetanus? Emil von Behring, Louis Pasteur, Robert Koch, or Edward Jenner? And the correct answer is Emil von Behring. Question number 73. What was the contribution of Ronald Ross to microbiology? Discovery of penicillin, linking malaria to mosquitoes, development of the Germ strain, or invention of the petri dish? And the correct answer is linking malaria to mosquitoes. Next question is, who introduced the concept of nitrogen fixation by soil bacteria? Sergei Winogradsky, Martinus Beijerinck, Louis Pasteur, or Robert Koch? And the correct answer is Martinus Beijerinck. And the next question is, what was the significance of the 1953 Watson and Crick discovery? Discovery of antibiotics, elucidation of DNA's double helix structure, development of vaccines, invention of the electron microscope? And the correct answer is elucidation of DNA's double helix structure. And the next question is, who discovered the causative agent of whooping cough, Bordetella pertussis? Jules Bordet, Robert Koch, Louis Pasteur, or Gerhard Hansen? And the correct answer is Jules Bordet. And the next question is, what was the role of Rebecca Lansfield in microbiology? Discovery of penicillin, classification of streptococci, development of the poliovirus, or invention of the autoclave? And the correct answer is classifications of streptococci. The next question is, who developed the first vaccine for meningitis? Simon Flexner, Louis Pasteur, Robert Koch, or Edward Jenner? And the correct answer is Simon Flexner. The next question is, what was the significance of the 1880s work by Shibasaburo Kitasato? Discovery of viruses, development of antitoxin for diphtheria and tetanus, invention of the petri dish, or discovery of penicillin? And the correct answer is development of antitoxins for diphtheria and tetanus. And the next question is, who discovered the causative agent of gonorrhea, Neisseria gonorrhoeae? Albert Neisser, Robert Koch, Louis Pasteur, or Gerhard Hansen? And the correct answer is Albert Neisser. And the next question is, what was the contribution of the Elie Metchnikoff to immunology? Discovery of antibiotics, description of phagocytosis, development of the Germ strain, invention of the microscope? And the correct answer is description of phagocytosis. Question number 82. Who developed the first vaccine for typhus? Rudolf Weigel, Louis Pasteur, Robert Koch, or Edward Jenner? And the correct answer is Rudolf Weigel. And the next question is, what was the significance of the 1920s work by Frederick Trott? Discovery of bacteriophages, development of the polio vaccines, discovery of penicillins, inventions of the electron microscope? And the correct answer is discovery of bacteriophages. Next question is, who introduced the use of selective media in microbiology? Robert Koch, Louis Pasteur, Martinus Beijerinck, or Fanny Hesse? And the correct answer is Martinus Beijerinck. And the next question is, what was the contribution of David Bruce to microbiology? Discovery of penicillin, identification of Brucella and trypanosomes, development of the Gram stain, invention of the petri dish. And the correct answer is identification of Brucella and trypanosomes. Next question is, who discovered the causative agent of Q fever, Coxiella burnetii? Frank Barnett, Robert Koch, Louis Pasteur, or Edward Jenner? And the correct answer is Frank Barnett. Question number 87. What was the significance of the 1940s work by Salvador Luria and Max Delbruck? Discovery of bacterial mutation, development of vaccines, invention of the electron microscope, or discovery of penicillin? And the correct answer is discovery of bacterial mutation. And the next question is, who developed the first vaccine for plague? Alexandre Yersin, Waldemar Haffkine, Louis Pasteur, or Robert Koch? And the correct answer is Waldemar Haffkine. Next question is, what was the contribution of Felix de Herle to microbiology? Discovery of bacteriophages, development of Gram stain, discovery of penicillin, invention of the autoclave. And the correct answer is discovery of bacteriophages. And the last question for this video is, who introduced the concept of chemosynthesis in microbial metabolism? Sergei Winogradsky, Louis Pasteur, Robert Koch, or Martinus Beijerinck? And the correct answer is Sergei Winogradsky. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you again.